The weeks-long protests in Muzaffarabad city of Pakistan-occupied Kashmir, demanding the rollback of the government's decision to divert the water of River Jhelum after it did same with River Neelum, have gathered momentum. The number of people taking to the streets against the government is growing every day as the appeal of resisting this illegal construction made by the activists who pioneered this movement has resonated with the common people of the region. In spite of several unyielding weeks, the protesters say that they are not ready to give up. Their morale has received a boost with more people joining in the protest recently.
मरानों को मैं एक मैसेज देना चाह रहा हूँ कि आप लोग अगर ये चाहते हैं, ये सोच रहे हैं कि ये तहरीक नाकाम हो चुकी है, तो आप लोगों की ये सोच बिल्कुल गलत है। हम लोग पहले दिन जैसे रिफ्रेश यहाँ पर बैठे थे, आज तक दिन भी यहाँ पर रिफ्रेश बैठे हुए हैं।
Locals say they are worried about the indifferent attitude of the government towards the region's ecology that is being disturbed indiscriminately at the behest of Islamabad. Recently on World Environment Day, people carried out a protest march against Islamabad, asking them to back off from the region. People also underlined Islamabad's exploitative policies that did not have any sympathetic component towards the people of the region.
आपको मैं वाला से यह गुजारिश कभी कर रहे हैं कि इस मसले का हल निकाला जाए और हमारे दरियाओं को सुरंगों में न मोड़ा जाए, क्योंकि ये बैनुकामी कानून की भी खिलाफ वर्जी और इंसानी बका का मसला है, क्योंकि पानी इंसानी लाइफ के लिए है और ये बहते दरिया हमारी इस लहलाते कश्मीर के लिए बड़े अहम थे। और जबकि उन्होंने गैर असूली तौर पे नीलम को टंडल में मोड़ के एक बड़े इलाके को बंजर कर दिया।
The construction of hydropower projects on River Neelum had severely affected the life of the locals, with a large number of them migrating to other areas. And now with the proposed construction of the Kohala project on River Jhelum is likely to aggravate the situation. More than 70 activists are gearing up to carry out a march against the government in the month of July. They will cover a significant distance in the region, educating people about Pakistan's devious designs.
लोगों को देख लेना चाहिए, हाकिम वक्त को भी देख लेना चाहिए कि मुज़फ्फराबाद को उजड़ने से बचाना चाहिए और इंशाअल्लाह ताला ये धरना एक बहुत बड़ी बगावत बर्पा करेगा और हुक्मरानों को, हुकूमत पाकिस्तान को अपने फैसला तब्दील करने पर मजबूर करेगा।
The people of the region, who have never been treated equally by Pakistan, have little hopes from the government. However, their sustained efforts of resisting the exploitative agenda of Pakistan have certainly rung alarm bells for Islamabad, which has by far considered this illegally occupied region its prerogative and have accorded a biased treatment to its citizens.